We're going to continue on with these areas under the standard normal curve. So this one we want to find the area that's to the right of negative 0.9, and we'll use our calculator for this one. So here is our standard normal curve. Our z value is negative 0.9, so that's just right here. I'll just put it there. Probably a good idea to write these in. I know I didn't always do that. Wow, that's terrible. Well, you get the idea. We want to find the area to the right of this. Okay, so this is definitely going to be more than 50%, okay, but that's what we're looking for. Now, on the table, it only does to the left of, but lucky for us, we're using the calculator for this one. So let's pull that over. Where did the calculator go? There it is. So remember, you're going to go back to distribution, and this is normal CDF. And again, your calculator is going to pop up with something slightly different. It's going to first ask for the lower bound. So our lower bound, as we can see from this picture, is negative 0.9. Okay, so you'll put that in for your lower bound. I'm going to put it in and then put comma. The upper bound, this just keeps going. So our upper bound is infinity. So the way we do infinity on these calculators is 1, and then you need your E, the double E button that's above the comma. So that one. So there's to the 99, so that's infinity. Comma, and then we have mu and sigma. These should already be in your calculator. Mu is 0, sigma is 1. You're going to hit paste, and then it'll pop up with this normal CDF thing like I've got, and we'll hit enter, and we get 0.8159. Okay, looks right. So over here, penciling it. The probability that we are greater than negative 0.9 is 0.8159. All right, we want to find the area under the standard normal curve between z equals negative 1.68 and z equals 2 using tables. And then on the next one, we'll use the calculator. So let me draw it. We have negative 1.68, which is down here somewhere, and then 2, which is up here somewhere. So we are trying to find the area in between those, okay? Now, remember, our calculator only tells us area, well, sorry, not our calculator, the table only tells us area to the left of. So what we can do is we can first find the area to the left of 2. Okay, now that will give us, let me see if I can get this in a different color. That's going to give us this area all the way down. And then we'll need to subtract the little part that we don't need. And the part that we don't need is the area to the left of negative 1.68. Okay, let me do that in a different color. We're going to subtract out the area to the left of that green part. And then that subtraction will give us the area that's left over, this in-between stuff. Okay, so that's what we're pulling up on our table. So we want to do this on the table. Let me go back to that. All right, so first we want the area to the left of 2. So remember, we're on the B side. So we're going to go down here to 2.00. So 0.9772. Write that down. I still need my table up so I can look at this. And then we need the area to the left of negative 1.68. Now you're going to have to flip over to table A for this. There it is. Negative 1.6 is right here, and then you need to go over to 0.08, which is right here. So 0.0465. So those are the two values that we looked up on the table. So now we'll come back here, write those down. Hopefully you already wrote those down. So 0.9772 minus 0.0465. And that's going to give us our area in between the two curves, 0.9307. Okay. All right, now we can do the same problem, same type of problem using the calculator, and you'll see it's much easier than using the tables. Things are usually easier on the calculator than the tables anyway. We want to find the area under the standard normal curve between 1.5, so 1.5 is up here somewhere, and 2.75. Okay, so we're looking for the area in between those. It's not going to be a very big number. And we're going to use the calculator to do this. So pull up your calculator. We'll clear that out. You're going to go to distribution. It's always going to be normal CDF. Your lower bound, okay, that's this end, so it's going to be 1.5. Upper bound is going to be 2.75. And then our mu and standard deviation are still 0 and 1 because we're on the standard normal curve. Paste and enter, and you should get 0.0638. So again, I didn't write down what this actually is. This is the probability that our x value is between these two things, is 0.0638. We'll catch those last couple of problems in the last video.